Drain pump replacement. Loosen the 4 screws at the bottom. Open the bottom. Loosen the screw indicated by the arrow. Unplug the 2 wires on the drain pump. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the old drain pump. Attach the black ring from this location to the new drain pump. Rotate clockwise to install the new drainage pump. Install the screw onto the drain pump. Connect the 2 wires to the drain pump. Close the bottom. Install the screws on the bottom.